You want to know the most beautiful thing about TikTok and social media is that it's people helping other people, and it's not a zero-sum game like much of life, and I'll explain what that means. So TikTok is needing more content creators. There is a lack of content creation, and there is an abundance, an exorbitant amount of consumers. There is a lot of people looking for products, ideas, entertainment, services, memberships, whatever it might be, and there's not enough creators. So TikTok actually is giving extra incentives for more creators to come out and to show your skills and show your mindset. It is an absolute beautiful time that we live in. And if you surround yourself with people like myself, motivational, encouragement, teaching you sales skills, teaching you how to build a TikTok account, teaching you how to build followers, and it's not about the get quick followers, it's not about the build extremely fast and do all these cheat codes. There's a lot of go viral things that are out there that are very misleading, because what happens is you get all the followers that only care about that, and you want followers that appreciate you, your life story, what you're about. Otherwise, none of your other views will gain any traction. What happens is someone posts a video how to go viral, and that's the only thing that builds traction, because other people are searching for how to go viral. So those people will comment, they'll like, they'll share that post, and then they won't gain any other traction on their other videos, because TikTok is pushing out their other videos to who? Their followers in the beginning. And if the first 200 to 300 followers that watch the video don't show any interest, any engagement, it's not getting pushed out further. So they're stuck. They're stuck in what's called the how to go viral or TikTok growth kind of hole is what I would call it. So they have to keep pushing videos like that over and over and over. How to go viral, how to go viral, how to build your TikTok growth. And then that's where they're going to push their money as well, like their products and their books, PDFs or whatever, is how to go viral, right? Because that is what they're stuck in. I don't want you to get stuck. I want you to do something that you're extremely passionate about, that you enjoy. So it's about getting aligned followers. It's not about having 50,000 to 100,000 plus. It's about having 1,000 to 10,000 and then building from there of people who are truly in align with your message, that like hearing what you have to talk about, the niche and passion that you're in, whether it be anything from drawing and art to playing the guitar, to being in your garden, to outdoors camping, to inside, who knows, like doing whatever that you're passionate about and turning it into a service, turning it into a product, selling on the TikTok shop, and making life generational changing money. If you're someone who cares about learning sales skills, growing generational wealth, knowing how to make money online, and growing your TikTok account the right way, make sure to be to follow along with this. Throw something in the comment of value. You want the TikTok algorithm to keep pushing videos to you that are of value, that you enjoy. Otherwise, it will give you absolute garbage over and over and over again. And many people are stuck in that feed in TikTok and will never get out of it, because they are stuck in the anxiety, the depression, the doubts, the worries, the fears. And so they're stuck on the doom scrolling end of TikTok. And you are making your way out of it if you're seeing these videos. Congratulations. Your dream life is around the corner. I'm the Abundance King, certainly here for you. I'm excited for your journey. Feel free to message me anytime.